Triode residence by Kamat Rozario architecture in Bengaluru, India. Designed for two sisters and a brother. This project was born out of the family's desire to live closer together after experiencing the isolation of the COVID-19 pandemic. Having lived apart in different parts of the city for years, the pandemic highlighted the importance of proximity and connection. This shared building reflects their vision of fostering closeness while maintaining individual independence and intimacy for each family unit. One of the primary goals for the project was to design a building that didn't feel imposing, despite the relatively constrained size of the site and the substantial requirements. The aim was to create a design that maintained a human scale, avoiding the perception of a towering structure while maximizing usable space. To achieve this, a split-level concept was adopted for each apartment, taking advantage of the lower height required for car parking. This allowed for the two street-facing bedrooms to be positioned closer to the ground, establishing a more intimate connection with the street. The separation of living areas across different levels created distinct zones within each home, enhancing a sense of individuality, something typically associated with standalone houses. The two upper apartments followed a similar split-level configuration, which led to the creation of a shared amenity space on the roof level, including an amphitheater. This amphitheater doubled as a family gathering space, ideal for screening movies and other shared activities. Additional communal facilities, such as a gym, pool table, laundry, and a guest room, were shared by all three apartments. The split-level design helped conceal this communal floor from view, ensuring the building maintained a low, approachable profile. The building's western facade, its primary connection to the street, required careful consideration. It was important to manage glare and heat from the western sun without cutting off the visual connection to the street. A custom-designed louver system, composed of thin but deep metal sections, was integrated to effectively cut the sun's glare and cast shadows over the glass surfaces, preserving transparency and maintaining a connection to the exterior while providing essential shading. This practical solution to the facade not only met environmental requirements but also influenced the building's overall aesthetic. The industrial language, initiated with the metal louver system, flowed seamlessly into the interiors of each apartment. The use of exposed concrete, metal sections, and wood further reinforced the cohesive industrial style, striking a balance between raw materiality and comfort. The topmost apartment, designed with one lesser bedroom than the other units, allowed the incorporation of a small, private courtyard. This courtyard is shaded by the same metal louvers that define the building's front facade and roof, offering a shaded outdoor space. Additionally, skylights positioned beneath the roof-level amphitheater brought abundant natural light into the top-floor apartment, enhancing the sense of spaciousness. The result is a building that not only responds to the specific needs of the clients but also demonstrates thoughtful engagement with its context. Each apartment occupies a single floor, ensuring privacy, while shared amenities provide opportunities for interaction.